Okay, Saturday, August 17th, 1:09 in the afternoon, and it's, does this finger unlock it? It does, okay. And then we go here, and then we go to, well, I can't do this way. Here, let me just turn this thing on. Okay, number 18 is the same song as roughly number 2 on this, so hit play. Playing like that. I'm going to stop it, well, put it on line in, right? Put it on line in, hit the pause. That's pretty close to the same. Alright? And then that's, now, this is mixing, so, wait. Okay, here's what I want to do. While that's playing on the CD, or the cassette, or that's the CD. Alright. I want to go back to this. And I gotta wake the phone up. You know, it's 100 degrees out here, 100 and something. So we go to, I don't want new posts, I want regular, come on, regular, whatever. Boombox, tech. And then here we are. So here's where I've worked on this thing and made a zillion pictures, and this is my, anyway, just, there's a zillion pictures in here, and I made a video. Where is the video? Here, so I made a video 10 minutes long when I had it apart and working, and so now it is working and fully put together, and this is it. That's it, alright, so there it is, right? And it's playing the CD, okay? And then if we, okay, here's the thing. We have it on line in, so it does the line in from the CD, okay? You got that? Put it to off, it turns that off, but then you can play the cassette. Okay, so there's the cassette playing, okay? Now I've gone all through this. Long story short, it's very old. It's got idler tires, jack shafts, and all that. And the idler tires for both rewind and fast forwards don't quite make contact because this thing is old and it's worn. But I did get it to play. Alright, so it does play. See, hit stop. Now what I want to go is I want to go to mixing. Put on mixing, and when you put on mixing, you engage these 3 buttons here, or sliders. Tape and mic. Just the mic, and then just the radio. Alright, so let's see if I can get this all to work right. So it's on. Let me hit play. So that's playing, right? And then we can use this volume, not that one. Okay, you can use that one, but oh, there we go. There's the microphone. So if we get the, oh wait, okay. Can you see? Okay, see me talking? I'm talking to the microphone. So I'm using this dynamic microphone, and I'm talking through this here. I really can't get the camera behind me, but I'm talking using, hi, see, that's my mouth talking right on this thing. It's very old, archaic, so it will work. You can do karaoke through this or whatever, and then you can mix the, now you got the line in, so that's a CD player or line in. So I've got line in, so we got 2 different sounds going. So you can go between the tape or the line in, which is in this case the CD player, right? Or you can go here and turn that off. Then you go to the radio and have just the radio, which is the line in, but you have to make it go to radio, you have to unplug this one here. Now you get the radio. But I don't want to play the radio and get in trouble with all that. So now I'm going to pick all this up because it's very hot out here in the sun. And if I can carry all this, oh, yeah. And then just walk over here. set this thing down on this piece of wood, variable ties. Okay, and then hit stop, hit eject, take the tape out, put the tape in, right? Hit play. So that works. Take it off, it's on off, so we can get volume. You can see like that. We got batteries too, that's the other thing. Well, eating tape, and the light only works with the AC cord plugged in. Does work, but only at lower volume, but it does a little bit, not much at higher volume. I don't know what else to show you, it's just I'm done with it. If you want to make it faster and wind, you have to order a bunch of parts and figure it out and all that. Let it intro the next song, and then I gotta go. On this. So there it is. Intro the next song, and gotta go. It's been 10 minutes, and hopefully I've explained all it. Oh, there's that song. This song got eaten, so for a few seconds of it, that was it. And then it got erased working on some other machine, so we can sit here and wait for it to come back on, or I can just say goodbye. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. I gotta go work on something else. Okay, good day. And If you want to email me, it's decentmanforyou2007@gmail.com. That's decentmanforyou2007@gmail.com. Okay, gotta go. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I just said it. Just hit the button back here.